So in order to install the Windows 11, we need two things. The first thing is the VirtualBox, and the second thing is a torrent service. So download the VirtualBox from this official site based on your platforms. Download it. I am on Windows, so I will download for Windows. So, quick recap that I have already told you guys how to install the Parrot OS in my previous videos using this VirtualBox. So, I have already told steps required to install this VirtualBox and this VirtualBox extension pack. So, if you don't have watched that video, you can check out that video also. So, I have already downloaded and installed this VirtualBox, and you need also this extension pack from this link. Download it, and then you will simply go to the VirtualBox. Here you will go to the file preferences and this extensions. As you can see, I have already installed that extension, and this is this one extension, this one. So you, if you have not downloaded and installed this extension, you can click on this add new packages and simply choose the file. It will install that for you. Now the second thing we require is this, and download the qubit torrent. This is their official website. Now if you're on Windows, you can download it from here, and for macOS you can download it from there. If I'm on Windows and I have already downloaded and installed this, so I will not go to the process. So now what you have to do is, I will provide you guys with the link. This is the link. So when you paste this link in your this new tab section, search address box, you have to enter, and it will redirect you to the qubit torrent. And I have already the task downloaded, so I will just unpause it. So as you can see, it is downloaded and it is on 87%. So as soon as it gets downloaded, we will carry out our further process. By the way, you can check out this link in the description box. So as you can see, we friends, the ISO file is successfully downloaded. Now the further process is as follows. You have to go to this VirtualBox on machine and add a new machine. I will simply name it as Windows 11. Here choose the Microsoft Windows and go with the Windows 10 64-bit. Now click next. Allot a recommended size of 4 gigabyte, and next choose hard disk and disk image. Now a minimum of 20 is required. Now click on start. Here you have to choose the ISO file. Click on add and choose this file and click choose and click start. So it will take a while to set up the process. Here you have to choose US, basically according to your region or your country. It is good. Click next and click on install now. So it will start the setup. So here you have to click on I don't have a product key. and go with the Windows 11 home, accept the license agreement and click on custom install and click on next. So once the process is finished, it will have the Windows 11 downloaded and get installed for you. So this was all for today's video. Thanks.